Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi Mix Flip, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool like this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the device right over here. So where the pin is holding right now, you want to grab the pin and push it in there. As you can see, the tray will pop out enough for you to be able to pull it out. And on the tray, you'll have space for two different SIM cards, so you can place one on each side. I'll be occupying just one of them. There you go. Make sure you clip the card correctly in place. It should not be protruding from the tray, and also it should not be falling out of it if you flip it upside down. From there, insert it back into your device, and the card should start working right away. There we go, so it popped in with the SIM card pin. So I'm going to confirm my SIM card pin and unlock the device, and there we go. That's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.